Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this box of Johnny Lightnings, and it's Johnny Lightning collector assortment from 2020 release 1, and there you see the code. And I just got this last Friday, already pre-opened it to have a look inside. So let's have a closer look at these ones. These are I think the collector tin series with a tin box. So here is the first one. Just make a little bit more space. And it's a very nice one, this one. I do like this model very much. It's a 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. And it's a great car, this. It's one of 2500 limited. There you have the packaging with the storage tin. There you have the tin. And version A, release 1. Let's have a look at the back of the packaging. I do not have those series. Some more info. And there's of course the number. Let's have another close look. Nice rims. This was the main reason I bought this box, because of this this model. Rubber tires, metal base of course. Let's have a look at the next one. And here we have the next one. It's 1992 GMC Typhoon, General Motors Corporation. And this is a black version. Lamp black. One of 2500. Same packaging, same bag with the tin storage case. Next one. That's the third one. And that's 1972 Chevy Vega Panel Express. In cranberry red. Also 2500, so it's not very much. Especially for the Monte Carlo SS. Many people will buy that one, I think. There's the back, top. All these have rubber tires and metal base. Okay, the next one. And there you have version B, the black one. Monte Carlo SS from 1987. Great piece. Happy to add this one to my collection. Let's have a look at the next one. And there you have version B from the Typhoon GMC in forest green metallic. I like this color more than the black one. There you have the front, all packaging. Well, the back is the same with all the packaging. And the last one, and that's the surprise. I already peeked. And there it is, a white lightning, as white as it can get. This should have been Mulsanne blue poly, but it's a white lightning, as you can see. White tires, white metallic body, pearl white, white base, looks like white base, I'm not sure. So that's very nice. That is a pleasant surprise. As you can see, the tin box is the original one, blue. But I don't mind. There's the back side. Has a very small crease. That's a pity in the packaging. But it is what it is. It's good enough for me. I'm not sure if I will take this one out. The other ones will go out eventually. So 2500, if it's 2%, there are only 50 of this one, 50 pieces. Love to have the white lightning from the Monte Carlo. As you know, those are my favorite ones of this set. I will have a last look at the Monte Carlos. This is the first one. And that's the next one. Beautiful pair. Must have. Well, this was my review. I had a small break because of my holiday. But I will try to make more videos from now on. Thank you for being a member. And if you are not, well, you are happy to be one. And thanks a lot for watching. Bye.